आगे आ जाए. First you have to understand the difference between the two terms, weather और climate. इन दोनों का difference क्या है? Climate होता है measure of the atmospheric temperature longer period, और जो weather होता है वो होता है shorter period के लिए, और वो specific हो जाता है. और climate change क्या होता है? जब आपका climate में कोई change आया तो that results to be climate change. So climate change एक ऐसा issue है that we are witnessing not only in Pakistan and in globally as well. Next slide. So in addition to the mitigation, we need to adapt to the inevitable impacts of the climate change. This includes building the climate resilient infrastructure, protecting our ecosystems and better land use planning. Like adaptation means that mitigate का मतलब है कि हमने उसके impacts climate के कैसे mitigate करने हैं, उनका impact कैसे lessen करना है. और adaptation strategy, adaptation का मतलब ये है कि how we can adapt to the inevitable impacts of climate change. के means कि climate के अगर हम impacts witness कर रहे हैं तो उसको किस तरह से हम hamper कर सकते हैं, उसको किस तरह से कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. So we can build the climate resilient infrastructure. We have to protect our ecosystems and better land use planning. Yes, you are right, Mohammed Vakil. Climate change is the change in the average weather conditions, and it is for a longer period of time. Weather is something different. That is the condition of the atmosphere for a shorter period of time. So these are the differences in the climate and the weather. And climate change, yes, it is the change in the weather conditions when we are like witnessing or observing any change in our weather, and that is inevitable and that is not like a positive one. Next slide. So climate change, as I have mentioned before, that it is a global challenge that requires collective action. By raising awareness and adopting sustainable measures, we can protect the planet for future generations. So as charity begins from the home, so we have to take the steps from our locality, like we can have to raise awareness regarding the impacts of the climate change in our community locality, and we have to plant as many trees as we can. Next slide. Thank you. So let me just have a bit recap of what we have discussed today. We have discussed in today's webinar is that what is climate, what
Ma'am Varda, it was a very good presentation. It was a very informative presentation. Everything is very, कहते हैं कि आपने एक ऐसी presentation दी है कि you have made complex terms into a very simple one, so कि सारे participants को समझ में आ रही थी. And I really appreciate participants को बहुत अच्छी लगी ने participate किया आज के session में, and that's very good. If any participant have any question, they can ask at the chat box or open up their mics. So please